Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming platform and safeguarding data. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, backup app data using the app's export, cloud sync, or a local backup tool so you can restore if needed. Next, open settings and go straight to apps or application manager. Make sure developer options are enabled on Android, or you know the app's offload/delete controls on iOS. This gets you into the exact place where updates and versions can be inspected and changed. You now remove update files. On Android, open App Info and tap Uninstall Updates to revert to factory version. If that option is missing, connect with ADB and run targeted commands to remove updated APK layers. Once done, clear cache and data if you want a clean state, but remember clearing data deletes local settings. On iOS, you can offload then reinstall the app to remove the current binary while retaining data. Make sure each command matches the package or bundle identifier before executing. You finish by installing the version you want. Sideload a verified APK from your backup, switch channels for beta or stable, or restore via the App Store if available. Once installed, verify settings and login. Make sure permissions are correct. If something goes wrong, reboot the device, clear system cache, and try restoring the backup you made earlier. A final tip: always use trusted sources and keep the app's package ID noted so you can repeat safe steps or provide accurate details when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.